Welcome everybody. As you see right here, we have been opening 2 long trades in special. Two small trades touching this Bitcoin and ETHEREUM. So yeah, we are going like live now. We are live. Thank you for coming. Thank you everyone. You are here today. I'm not gonna stay that long. It's actually a break that I have in between my courses. So yeah, this is all that we are gonna be doing. We are gonna be observing the market right now. If you have any questions, thank you for coming, and you just in the chat, and we are gonna be going through this. Okay. So this is how things are going right now. We are gonna be going also to the chart, watching what is happening right here. Okay, we actually broke to the downside, as you have seen, and of course what is happening is that this broke to the downside. We came all the way up. I told you that I'm gonna start entering right here. Okay, so that's all. This is what I said. This is what I'm doing. I said that if we are gonna be, I said down here that we are actually going to the upside. We are going to break to the upside right here. I told to the Telegram group as well that I'm searching for something like this, and this is what is happening. Okay, and I said that also after this leg up, we are going to break most likely this, what I'm going to start entering, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I had my first entry. I always try to have liquidity so I can provide very nice trade. Okay, so that's all I am doing. I'm entering constantly. I had liquidity. I wanted to enter the trade, as you can see right here. I'm going to be going back to Bybit where I opened this trade. It's not that big. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Oh, that's a rainy day. Okay, this is something that I use often so I can actually relax a little bit. Slow it down a little bit, maybe. Welcome everyone. It's gonna be live. I'm doing just for showing how it's going with the whole thing. regarding the trades that I opened today, so you can guys also start following up a little bit trades, the small trades I'm opening here and there. So what I'm watching now, go back to the chart, is the fact that I'm using this this thing right here as a resistance line. So this is a crucial level, and since we are coming back to this ascending wedge right here, I'm actually following up this little triangle that is start getting created right here, back to the triangle actually. So as long, oh thank you mate, thank you Eduardo's, yeah thank. What I'm watching right here is the fact that I want to see this breaking to the upper side. What we have seen in the 4-hour chart especially, so that's what we are going to also showing in this session, is the fact that we cannot break this resistance line on the other side, so we need some volume here. So this is what I said last time as well, we don't have any kind of volume coming in, and that's something that is not so nice. Good thing though is the fact that we are coming back to this support line. This is very nice, and it was pretty crucial to, of course, smaller time frames. I'm gonna be also explaining some things for the money flow, and yes, we are gonna be also watching, for those that they're here right now, we are gonna be watching some price targets, what I'm expecting, and of course how am I going to deal with this kind of trade that I opened right here. Welcome everyone, welcome to everyone that is here right now. I know it's a little bit difficult time also for me as well. I'm staying out long. Just want to show you guys what I have in my mind. We are getting rejected right now, as you can see. So the thing is that we are going to be staying a little bit, watching what is happening. Price action is not looking that great. 5-minute chart, as you can see, we came back. Okay, we broke this inverse head and shoulder pattern, came over here, and we are coming back to this ascending wedge as I said to you before. So what I'm watching is the 4-hour money flow, and I said to you guys, especially for those that have been inside the chart, okay, inside the chat in the Telegram group, that I'm gonna be following this kind of money flow right here. I'm watching a big wave, smaller wave, smaller wave, as you can see right here. This one, since it's playing out, I see on the 4-hour chart going to hold here, going to be insane move for Bitcoin, something that you cannot even imagine. So that's what I'm following up, that's what I see, and what I'm watching for about right now, watching out this one can stay for these levels. Not going to get rejected like this most likely, because this resistance line that the upper side, it should come and confirm it as a support right here. Okay, so what are our price targets regarding this? First of all, we have to see that is a W unfolding right here, as you can see. Okay, W unfolding right here. What I'm going to do is to actually extend this to the upper side. Yeah, so this is our price target. This is what I'm going to watch right now. If you have any questions, you can just go right. Thank you for Bartus. I've seen this message on the chat. I'm going to also analyze what is my price target after that. So hello everyone, welcome. We're gonna be analyzing what is happening right here. You see, right to the downside, this is not a good signal. Doesn't look great at all. And the thing is that this is the up, so we are watching for the price target on the upside. Okay, you can see here my entries. Okay, my Bybit trade is not that crazy. My entries is on the 4.9. Okay. So you can see this was the dollar cost pairs that are doing after we have the break to the downside. Okay. So what we are doing is that I'm going to actually check what is going on with charts. So we are going back to the chart to check what is happening right here. Okay, as you can see, most likely this is going to confirm. So we can have a leg up. Okay, what I'm gonna do is to start with my new target right here. Okay, this would be the perfect scenario. You can break this one, the upper side, because if we are breaking this to the upper side, we didn't just cut aside as much we have, but we also broke to the upper side right here. Okay, and we confirm this resistance to support. So we break not just one resistance, we break a second resistance. Okay, so this is the perfect scenario. So if this W is going to pay out, it's going to pay out and continue this very beautiful move. What is the price target that we are watching after that? Is of course the inside this channel, descending broadening wedge, that is actually amazing pattern that is playing out, and of course coming to if it's gonna break to the upper side, this kind of level, 8,000, 9,000. Thing is right here that if you guys are going to measure this, it's a bull flag. You can see it on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, this could be a very nice bull flag right here. This is the pole and this is the flag, so we should take this, okay, from this level and measure in case it's breaking out, and this takes us all the way to the 49,900. So this is what we are watching right now. What we should do is to follow up, and of course as we dollar cost enter inside the trade, we also have to dollar cost exit. Okay, so you have to put your price targets and you have to start watching what is happening right here. So yes, this is how we are going to be trading today. We are going to watch a little bit what is happening to the charts as well. We are gonna be doing very calm trading, a little bit fix our setup how it should be. So we're gonna have a good game. So what I'm going to do, going back to the charts, let's explain a little bit our price targets, what we are expecting, of course. Okay. So, as you can see right here, we have this beautiful thing. If in case it's going to break out, this is going to be the best scenario ever. How I came, and of course I showed you before, I start entering the fact that I split this equal parts down to my target 40 3,000. It was 43,700 as far as I remember. Okay, so this is what I did, and until this price I split it in equal parts so I can start entering my trade. As you can see right here, we have to include also the week, so let's fix this a little bit better. Yeah, so this is where we should see, where we see that it can come easily to confirm, okay, this pattern by coming, of course, inside here, and most likely to confirm and go have the leg up to the upper side. And of course this is coming from, if you are going to the 15-minute time frame, you can see even better right here. Okay, we have is the bullish divergence. Those bullish divergence, they play it out perfectly, and so that's why it became the upper side. So what that means, we can easily have a leg to the downside again. Is this changing everything? Yes, it can change everything. So we have to be careful right here. We have to be careful because you never know. You never know what is going to happen. If you enter your trade right now, then I wouldn't say that is a good decision. Why? We broke this W to the upper side. Okay, we broke this W to the upper side, but it could easily come and be paid only this kind of W. Okay, so this means technically nothing. Not all W's are getting paid. Not all the double bottoms are getting paid. So you should be careful right here, because if you are entering a trade right now, yes, it could be a confirmation, a kind of confirmation, but it could also be maybe the fact that it got paid out in a way and is coming all the way down. It's very big thing that this should turn into a resistance and a support level. Okay, so we have to see this coming and confirming right here. We should see this. Okay, we should see this coming and confirming right here. If this is going to confirm, then most likely we are going to break to the upper side, and then we have the second confirmation for this level. So you should kind of see this thing playing out. Okay, I'm gonna explain this to you straight away. So this is what we should watch. We are searching for a level, resistance line right here, coming here, turning this into support, and then the next leg up, and then break here, confirm, try to find one of these levels if you are searching for long. So where you should enter is this kind of level right here. So this is very crucial right now. We should see this coming to confirm. Otherwise we are losing every kind of hope. And this was a fake out, okay, to the hourly chart most likely. Yeah, so the hourly chart is actually outside already, but the 4-hour chart is a fake out in case this comes all the way down. So this is what you should follow. This is what you should see. Okay, Don't forget, we're gonna be doing this giveaway, guys. We're gonna be giving away a Ledger Nano S. So everything you have to do is, if you are going to the pin section, pin comment section down below, you can find which video you should actually enter, like, and of course comment, and also subscribe to the channel. If you want to have, you have to have those three requires so you can get a Ledger Nano S after we are reaching the 1.5 thousand subs. Okay, so if we are not going to reach the 1.5 thousand subs, we're not going to be giving away the Ledger Nano S. It's the only thing you have to do. Just three things. You are going back, you like, subscribe to the channel, of course, and you press the bell button for all notifications, and you enter by commenting the video. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So you can see right here, guys, as you can see, we are consolidating in this area, as I said before. You see perfectly right here what is happening. Okay, sorry. You can see perfectly what is happening right here. What I'm expecting for, I'm expecting for this to break to this resistance line, to break to the upper side, because this is all I am waiting for to trade this. So if I want to enter, let's say, if I want to enter and put more money in this trade, this is all I am expecting. Okay, I am waiting for this line to break to the upper side. Hello, George. Let's chill a little bit right here. Let's take a breath. Okay, take it easy. So what I'm expecting for right now is to come and confirm very nicely right here. Okay, we have to see this bullish divergence continue to the upside. Otherwise, we don't want to see this breaking to the downside. It's not going to be so nice watching this breaking to the downside. We're also going to be jumping a little bit to the Ethereum chart to see what is happening right there. Okay, so as far as we see, Ethereum is not in the same position. Ethereum is actually broke the channel to the downside, as you can see right here, and right now we don't see any kind of bullish divergence except the small ones that they don't really help. So we should see this coming and confirming, okay, breaking to the upside at least, or filling up. As far as I see, this W paid out. This W is paid out already. So as you can see right here, is no, it's not paid out yet, but still it's breaking into the downside. That's not looking so nice. It has to come back, of course, and retest, okay, at least this level, so I can exit my trade most likely, because this, it doesn't have volume, it doesn't have anything to show some price action to the upper side. So yeah, we are back. Let's see what is happening in the charts a little bit. Okay, we have to follow up our trade. This is like nice scalping just for small trades right here. Something crazy. Very nice confirming for Bitcoin as far as I see. About Ethereum, what I'm expecting for is for this to come at least, so we can try be paid on this level. If you are coming back, would be awesome. But this has to confirm nicely to the neckline right here. This is what I'm expecting for. Okay. Welcome to everyone that is here right now, and I hope you will enjoy, guys, the live stream. I have like some 15 minutes left right here. Actually, watch what is happening in the charts, what our price targets. What I'm expecting is, of course, that Bitcoin will come to cover this. As far as I see right here, very nice confirmation. I love it. We'll have to see some volume coming in. There is no, guys, this is really sad, but doesn't show like we have any kind of volume in general coming in bigger time. Like, as far as you see, the volume is constantly falling non-stop. Of course, a massive and explosive move with this here. Okay, this is falling, so should see a kind of leg to the upper side. Hello, Crystal, how are you doing, mate? Thank you so much that you are here. So guys, so what we should see right here, okay, is that this volume, okay, is actually falling constantly, and we are going to see an explosive move, most likely, in case this breaks to the upper side. So those are the price targets I am watching right now. Okay, if you are going, guys, to split this thing, as far as I see right here, yeah, we have to because I use my small screen right here. Okay, what I'm expecting to see is that I'm gonna take the fibs, okay, and I'm gonna split it to this kind of levels. So let's clear up the chart a little bit. As I see right here, the 06108, okay, is coming to the 46,352, and this is the golden ratio. As you can see, also we have some kind of price action in this level, so this is the basic level we should watch. And as far as I see the visible range, most likely it's gonna also show me yeah, that this level is actually crucial, so we should actually take care of it. We should actually take care of it, because this can easily come, okay, and get rejected for once more. This is a bull flag only in case this one is breaking to the upper side, confirming, and go all the way up. So we have to see a green candlestick breaking this resistance level with some kind of volume. Okay, so this is all we have to see right here, so we can be pretty much confirmed that this move had a kind of certain in the market. So we have to see this so we can be sure that we break to the upper side, and of course we are holding very nicely, so we can confirm and do a dollar cost entry again in case we enter on this kind of levels down here. Otherwise there is no point to try to enter right now. No point to enter right now. I say this again and again, not a financial advice, but guys, be careful for what is going on regarding the chart, and of course don't take decisions that you will regret. Christopher today told very nicely that I'm not sure to enter in a trade. Okay, so I love what you do, man. I really love what you do. The fact that you are taking a decision is the most amazing thing. If you are not feeling comfortable, don't do it. Okay, if you don't feel comfortable with the trade, don't do it. This is the best decision you will take in general if you understand that you are a person that is doing some nice moves, okay, and you're not trading with your feelings and your emotions, then for sure you will be profitable in your trades. Okay, always remember, as you can see, the 20 moving average right here on the 4-hour chart is the biggest resistance level as well. So this is coming to get confirmed in a way that something is happening right here, and the bears are actually pressing down. Okay, this is not looking so nice since we cannot break it, and especially with some volume doesn't look nice. We can easily come and fall all the way down to this kind of levels. It's nothing. This is what we see on the downside, guys. 43,700, I mentioned it before, is the level I am watching to enter. My second dollar cost entry is gonna be right here. I'm gonna be in minus, as you can see, as far as you can see right here. Okay, I have a $6,946 open position. Okay, it's not something big, but with liquidity I'm going to provide more in case we are falling this kind of level. So I'm okay. I am okay. In case we are falling down here, I am okay to see minus. I don't care. Okay, if you care about the trade that you enter, in case you fall, you are losing money, then technically you are not in a good position. My entry price is 44,937. This is what I was entering from the 45,000, because I was thinking, okay, I actually had an open trade, to be honest, but I was thinking that this can easily come and go all the way up, and I said that my next level is here. Okay, I enter right here. That's why my dollar cost entry came to the 44,900, because if you split this one in the middle, then you can see that my average price is the 44,900. That's why I actually enter. That's why my entry is right here. And the next level I watch is the 43,700, and that's what I'm watching. If you guys have any kind of questions, you can just ask me. You said about price targets, I'm explaining pretty well, I see, as far as I can understand. So in case you have something to mention, and watch through. Okay, so major level to watch right now is the 61.8 right here. Okay, 46,352. This is, I believe, the best price target I should see right now. And of course, in case we are breaking to the upper side, this is coming, the 1.618 is coming, the golden ratio on the upper side is coming to confirm the upper side of this channel that I created before. Okay, so this would be the best case scenario. This is the whole take profit I'm gonna be taking, not on the top, okay, but to the approximately 1.4, so 49,697. This is the price target, my max price target I have right here. And you will ask me why you are taking this price target, you're not expecting further way up. So we don't go any further up. We are going for any further up. I'm not there yet. That's the truth. I'm not there yet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to be explaining what is happening on the upper side of this channel. I'm going to be doing, but what I'm trading now, as far as I see, even though it's going to become a swing trade, is this kind of levels. I'm going to be leaving my dollar cost entries down here, my dollar cost exits out here. Okay, so I'm going to be constantly exiting this kind of trade. This is my plan. This is what I'm planning to do. And this is how I am going to trade this thing. So don't say that yeah, so you don't have any further expectations in case this breaks into the upper side. Of course, I'm going to be also explaining what you can do regarding this trade in case it breaks to the upper side. So welcome to everyone that is here today. Thank you for being live. I hope you enjoy, well guys, the fact that I try to give nice TA right here. Try also to chill a little bit, having a very nice evening. Okay, I'm not gonna be staying down long because I have further quizzes. My students, okay, I just had a break. That's why I'm uploading this. Okay. So what is happening right here is that we're pretty much coming to confirm. We should see this bullish divergence coming all the way from as well this price move. So I watch, as far as I see, and my fibs are showing perfectly that this resistance line is gonna be staying right here to torment pretty much the traders in case we are breaking to the upper side. So once more, I said almost a month ago that this green box, it was about to go back to the videos if you don't believe it, guys. I said exactly for this area that is gonna be an issue. Many people will not know. So this doesn't mean that I'm not bullish on Bitcoin. I am bullish on Bitcoin, and as I said, we have to see at least 2 weeks breaking, holding over this resistance line. This is the resistance line down here. Sorry, this one. Okay, the 38,000. I can go to the 4-hour time frame so you guys can see further. Okay, so I want to see at least 2 weeks over. Now we are going on the third one as far as I see. You can see it on the weekly chart. Okay, So yeah, it's one, two, third one right here. This came to the upper side, but I mean two more candlesticks the green side. Not that this cannot go all the way down, it can, because it can be a bull trap, but what we see right here is that this one here is pretty much broken, and I'm gonna be actually fixing it a little bit so you can see. First divergence here pretty much broken, okay, because we came to break to the upper side, and now I want to see this creating new bullish divergence way up. So this is what I'm also watching to the higher time frames. Okay, let's go back a little bit to see what we have right here on the hourly chart. We should see at least two more candlesticks coming to confirm this, and then finally some volume coming in. So that's all I have to add right here. Is good the fact that we are standing to confirm. As far as I see in the 15-minute time frame, I have to confirm. We have to see a kind of curve. Okay, we have to see a kind of curve right here. Confirmation, so we can see this going all the way up. But for us to believe that we are going breaking this resistance line, we need volume. There is no volume coming in. That's bad, but I didn't expect that the volume will come all the way up just like this, because we have broken to the downside, and this most like scenario is that we are coming also 3,800. I said this to the Telegram group as well. You can follow up to see what is happening right there. It's for free. You can just get inside the chat, and you can find the description, pin comment section down below. You can find right there how to enter in the chat. Really a nice community. Many people are sharing some ideas, so very nice. So what I'm watching now, price targets for now. So what we have right here is this W that broke to the upper side, didn't confirm. This W that it didn't confirm. Okay, one price target is in case this W is bringing to the upper side, the 46,700, 46,600. So this is a kind of take profit. You will tell me, so you are going to take some profit right here? Most likely yes, but this one, it would be nice if you set an order right here. So if you go here, you can just set an order, okay, that I am selling at this point. Okay, this is something I have to take a little higher for 3,100. Okay, things are changing all the time. I have a buy order, $3,000 more right there. I should actually increase this one, because I don't see any further level going. After this, I should just do a sell order downside. Okay, so I'm going by the chart. What we should see, okay, is the fact that we should start entering, in case you didn't enter anywhere. Okay, in case we have a leg to the upper side, we have to see a confirmation right here. Okay, we have to see confirmation, and after that we can start entering pretty much, in case we are watching further price action. So of course we're gonna break this. Is, I told you, it's actually bull flag to the upper side. This one is taking us all the way up here, 50,000. You can dollar cost entry on the downside, you can dollar cost exit on the upper side. Of course this is going to be a resistance line in a way, and many people will try to sell right here. It's good if you are selling lower. In case you want to exit right there, half of your position, is good to exit earlier. Okay, So if you are about to exit between this kind of prices, between 47,196 and between the 47,600, this is the best scenario in case you wanna exit your first trade, in case you are entering right there. Okay, so what you should do is to create this green line and say that I'm gonna do a kind of dollar cost exit right there, and this is the price target I'm watching in case we break to the upper side. And you will tell me what's the reason of that. Okay, why I try to explain as best as I can what are my price targets and where am I based on, so I can do a nice trade. Okay, so this is what I'm watching for right now. Okay, and this is my first take profit area. First of all is the level 78.6. okay, so that's what I'm watching right here on the fibs. Okay, and it's between the one that is over there, and also I never take profits on the last level. I always try to take your profits earlier of what everyone else is going to take, because I'm going for the short profit and not the most. I want to be a professional trader. I want to trade it as best as I can and make sure money, not the most. Okay, I don't care to make insane huge profits on trade. I prefer to have constantly winning trades, and this is all I want to have as a target. Okay, somewhere here I'm gonna be closing this stream. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. I have a new course starting right now, and I'm gonna be trying to come in this kind of live streams as much as I can, so I can show you price targets and everything. So I keep this trade open right here. As far as you can see, I have it still open. I like this kind of confirmation right here, as I told you, and I'm gonna be watching further dollar cost entry in case we break to the downside, and dollar cost exit in case we go to the upper side. Price targets: the first take profit 47,126, as I said before, to 47,500. Next price target 48,628. Next price target 49,710. Keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next episode for tomorrow. Bye bye.